Aloha! Today we'll use some of these ingredients that Misty, also known as Food Fiend, gifted to me to make a Mediterranean feast. Mahalo, Misty, for your generosity. I don't know of any other YouTuber who brings back gifts from her travels. So today I'm planning to make a pasta salad with the calamati olives, oregano, and olive oil, and other ingredients, of course. And we'll use the rub and the blue salt here for beef kebabs with tzatziki sauce in a pita sando. And we'll chase it down with a little apple apple drink. That's that. And the have a little baklava chocolate bar for dessert. For the salad, we're going to use some multicolored garden rotini. Of course, the olives and the oregano. We might use the olive oil, but the thing is that it is apparently infused with some truffle oil. So we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, I do have regular extra virgin olive oil and tomatoes, some garlic. What else we got here? Japanese cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, some of that wonderful blue Greek rock salt, sea salt, and little garlic, and our secret ingredient from our backyard, key lime. I have to say that the brine with the Kalamata olives is very salty. So you can add a little bit of that if you just want more salt, but I really didn't add that much salt to the dressing. Okay, here's the finished product. And here's my wife, Camilla. Say hi.
Hi.
Give it a try. And how is it?
That's good. That's good. I like the
Okay.
lime taste.
Nice. Alrighty, I made the skewers of, I think this is a New York strip steak that I cut up into big chunks, and I skewered them as kebabs. So we're gonna fire up the old Kamado Joe, and we'll grill these, and then we'll eat. This is a Kamado Joe. It's a grill, smoker, what else? Baker. Some people have made pizza on it too. Right now there's heat deflector ceramic plates that are in there. We're going to take them out because we're going to go grill those kebabs direct over charcoal. Okay, we're on like Donkey Kong. Looking pretty good. Well now, came out pretty good if I say so myself. Well, let's take a sip of this thing here. Wow, that is good. It's perfect mix between tart and sweet. Well, itadakimasu. Let's see. Camilo's gonna take a bite. That's the salad after it's been marinating and cooling down in the refrigerator. We got the pita bread. I think she's gonna try and make a sandwich. But anyway, I think everything came out pretty good. And once again, we just want to thank Food Fiend, Misty, and look her up. Do a search on YouTube and like her, subscribe, and become a member, because you too could be fortunate and win some swag from her various journeys. Thank you once again.